All right, folks, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at Bankramp, another Jamie Lewis product on ClickBank, with bold claims, of course. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. I make videos about making money online, and hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified of any new videos coming out. Also, in the video description below, there's a link to my #1 recommendation for making money online. You get 2 free websites with that, free training, free membership, no credit card needed or anything to sign up. You get video tutorials, instant help, lots of cool stuff there. So check that out as well. And let's get back to this, folks. Okay, so this is Bankramp. The website is here, and there's a sales video with Jamie and this other dude, which they kind of contradict themselves because he says $83,000 in a year on the video there, but on the page I have a screenshot of $83,000 within the first month. So I don't know. Anyways, you probably might have seen some of these other products by these guys before, Jamie Lewis, that is. I've done some reviews on his products before, and he's very hypey. He says a lot of hype and, a lot of, bold, outrageous stuff. He says everything's so easy to do. If you've probably seen the video already, if you're watching this review, he claims everything's so easy, like he does in some of his other products, like Product 365 and Profit Injector, Profit 365. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling the words here. But anyways, so my basic review is as such. I mean, first of all, he's making way too many bold claims. He's very hypey. I've seen these videos from him before. He's claiming you can make all this money, outrageous sums of money without doing much work. He says, it takes 15 minutes to set up in the beginning of the video here. And then you just repeat and repeat and repeat. It doesn't talk really much about what it is. He just says Shopify and eBay, but the product is basically video tutorials on how to do drop shipping and stuff like that. Inside there's the actual, tutorials and stuff like that. And then of course there's upsells. And these tutorials, they're nothing but spectacular, folks. It's basically how to set up a Shopify store, how to get traffic to it, Instagram, other methods and stuff like that. What they don't tell you is that drop shipping there's a lot of cons to drop shipping, which I listed here. Low profit margins. It's very time consuming. You have to deal with the customer service. You have to deal with out of stock items, shipping issues and returns. If you're ordering from places like AliExpress, that's in China, the delivery times could be 25 days. Customers aren't used to that. They're used to like ordering stuff on Amazon and it's there in a few days. So there's a lot of stuff that, cons to this system that, so they make it sound so easy, like I said. So it's not technically a scam. They do give you information, but I recommend just finding this if you want to get into drop shipping. That is, that's what this product's about. I recommend just going elsewhere, honestly, for drop shipping and other ways of making money online. So yeah, again, I don't recommend it. I think it's just hype, as most of his products that I've seen are. In fact, all of them are. They're just a bunch of hype and stuff like that. So that's my 2 cents, folks. If you have any questions or comments, if you tried it, leave them in the comments below this video. Check out my #1 recommendation. I have a link for this blog post as well as my #1 recommendation in the video description, and you can find me there as well. Once you sign up to the free account membership, you can contact me there as well for any tips and tricks and anything like that and stuff like that. So folks, all right, cool. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.